Pepe, not touching this. JPY just recommended JPY for a short trade. Yay me, I recommended shorting the GNO coin. All right, let's go, folks. If you can see the charts, here's what's happening. Euro. The euro has entered a short channel. I recommended shortening it today. It hasn't moved yet, but hasn't kicked us out. So we are in the short channel. And here's the key issue. You might be wondering why I don't like recommending entering during a trend continuation move. The thing is, the further the asset moves from the level. See, here's the far away level. It's still behaving according to my recommendations. The further the price moves from the level, the higher the chances of volatility triggering your stop loss order and getting you kicked out. That's the biggest problem. Straying too far from the level increases the chances of your trade being snatched away. That's the thing. Okay, moving on. NZD nothing. We are just sitting there. Here's what you need to understand. If the market isn't moving, don't jump in and force a trade. Right now, everything is stagnant. No action, no solid setups. So what you got to do is wait for a stronger signal. JPY just recommended JPY for a short trade. Let me show you real quick. JPY $151.20 short. See? Add it to your list as well. That's my current recommendation. The key level here is 151.3. If the asset price drops below that, we could easily see a 150-point move. Okay, moving on. Saudi, the Canadian dollar is slowly starting to move. But here's the thing. Besides direction, you always need a solid entry point. And right now, there isn't one. The volatility here is nasty, and it'll wreck your trade if you jump in too soon. So sit tight. Oil, I recommended this one in the Telegram channel today. The oil moved nicely. Right now, I'm only showing daily charts, but if it's not enough, I'll switch to lower time frames. I recommended oil at $75.70s today. Perfect move down. It's still in a long channel. ETH, BTC, Ethereum, and Bitcoin are dead. Totally lifeless. Why did Bitcoin and Ethereum stall? It's simple. Everyone's waiting on federal regulations. Until there's a clear decision at the federal level, the market is stuck. If no regulations come through, we could see a massive drop. All right, let's keep going. Silver, gold. Silver wasn't on the list of assets for long trades, but gold was. See? Gold price hit a new high. It moved almost $10 from the point I recommended, but honestly, that's not enough. I still think gold will easily reach the $3,200, $3,300 mark, which is about a 10 to 15% move. Moving right along. S&P, well, there's nothing happening here. Literally nothing. JPY pairs are slowly starting to reverse after rising, but everything else is dead. All right, let's check out a few coins I called today. OM coin. Let's take a look at the OM coin. Strong accumulation here. Keep this one on your watch list. It'll show you where it wants to go. Look at the hourly chart. This thing has been sitting in the same spot for a while. I'm thinking about taking it. It looks like it's ready to break out of the accumulation area in an upward direction while all altcoins are showing a decline. All right, moving on. What I'm doing here is giving you the coins I've recommended today. Next up is GNO. I recommended this one today and it's already moving nicely. Yay me. I recommended shorting the GNO coin at 183.90 on the Telegram channel. The same level, it's playing out beautifully. Slow but clean. I think it keeps moving slowly. I think it will continue dropping further. This is a beautiful coin. I'm giving you all the coins I recommended today and yesterday, 12 total. Next up, IP coin. Strong accumulation here. See the level? We can even move it here slightly. Watch how it behaves. These are the strongest coins. Remember, right now it isn't altcoin season when they are going up in price. The market is dumping. Yesterday, 9 out of 12 coins fell. So don't stress about what's dropping. Just focus on what's holding strong. Look at the GNO coin. These setups look really good. They'll surge as soon as they get the chance. Up next is the Sundog coin. This one looks solid, came right up to its level. Ignore the big bar. It still looks good. Let's check the lower time frame. It looks good on it. Failed once, failed twice. Maybe it finally breaks out this time around. What else do we have here? These are the coins just for today. Pepe, not touching this. I saw Pepe today and I wouldn't buy it. There's nothing here. I would have exited 100% long ago. I think Pepe will collapse eventually. Here's a question. How do I set a stop loss correctly? 10% of the ATR behind the 5-minute bar, or simply 5 pips? So there are three ways. Option 1, 10% of ATR. Option 2, behind the standard 5-minute bar under normal volatility conditions. Option 3, behind the level. LTC, I had LTC on my list. I think we need to take the level a bit higher. LTC looks good, stronger than the market. See this level? I'd watch for $140. You can buy LTC at $140. All right, let's check out Doge. Looking at Doge now, the key thing is to mark the level correctly. So far, it's calm. But if this level is broken out, mark it right away on the chart. 23.86. If that goes, it's game over. Now onto ABNB stock. ABNB is a tough one. I don't like this stock. Too heavy, too hard to trade. I usually stay away from it. XRP is all over the place with wild volatility. I was in it, but I've already exited. Nothing happening right now. Just stuck in a tight range. Everyone is waiting for Trump's legislation. XMR is really hard to trade as it grows really slowly, but the setup looks really strong. I don't expect a massive surge, but the accumulation it has is solid. It may spike though. It's moving slowly, but there's definitely upside potential. There could be an impulse over there. Checking the hourly chart now. Yeah, it does look pretty good on the daily chart. The coin is trading at a high of around 240. Here's another question. Do coins follow Bitcoin? No, they are not. Look closely. Every coin we just went over isn't following Bitcoin. Bitcoin is just sitting still. Check Bitcoin's hourly chart. Literally nothing. Now take a look at the daily chart. It's stuck there and not in a good way.